I'm Mounika from Story of Spices, and you're watching me on Femina India. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Femina. Keep watching for 3 easy, delicious, and healthy recipes. We're going to need some fresh raspberries that I'm going to slice in half, some mango, half a banana, shredded and unsweetened coconut for the topping, Greek yogurt, and finally some sliced almonds. I find the easiest way to cut a mango is by using the scoring technique. I like to dice the mango, cutting it first in one direction and then the other. Then we're going to push the center of the peel to invert it. The cubes of the mango will easily separate out with a spoon. Now it's time to chop our banana. We also want to slice the raspberries in half because they're going to be the topping for our yogurt part. We're going to start out by adding our Greek yogurt into the blender. Then we're going to add in our fresh fruits, mango and banana. Add about 2 tablespoons of water so it's not too thick to blend. Make sure to blend on a slow speed because we want a thick, creamy consistency. Now we're going to spread our mixture onto a parchment-lined sheet tray into an even 1/4 inch thickness. Use a spoon to make sure it's evenly spread out into all corners of the sheet tray. Now for the fun part, the toppings. We're going to start out with our raspberries that we've sliced in half. Then we're going to add some shredded coconut, and finally top off with almonds. Next, we're going to put it into the freezer for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. After it comes out of the freezer, we're going to break it up into smaller pieces, just like that. Store it in the freezer until you're ready to eat. Enjoy! Now it's time to make our mango avocado salad. This is sweet, savory, tangy, and fresh. For this recipe, we're going to need jalapeno, salt and chili powder, mango, lemon juice, grape tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, and red onion. We're going to start with half a jalapeno, adding in some grape, red, and orange tomatoes, then some chopped red onion, some diced avocado, fresh cilantro, mango, juice from half a lemon, and salt and chili powder to taste. Now we're going to mix it all up. Doesn't that look delicious? You can enjoy this alone or as a side dish. Trust me, you'll definitely be wanting seconds. Let's make a delicious mango mint smoothie. This is perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout shake. We're going to start out with some almond milk, some hemp and chia seeds, some fresh mint, vanilla protein powder, a cup of ice, and some mango chunks. I've sliced these earlier. We can also add a little bit of honey for sweetness. Let's start with the almond milk. Then we're going to go in with the mango. Add the vanilla protein powder, the hemp and chia seeds for fiber and extra antioxidants, some fresh mint leaves, and a cup of ice. So we're going to start out blending and then add the honey in. Time to pour the smoothie. I love drinking this smoothie from a mason jar, so if I have any leftovers, it can be saved easily in the refrigerator and it's perfect for on the go. This mango mint smoothie is so refreshing, especially on a hot summer day.